one's actually cool. This one is pretty fast. It jumps really well. It's solid. I like the suspension on it. It's pretty solid. It has these cool lights right here that light up when it's on. It's like little fog lights. It's pretty rad. The spoiler, super easily put on. You just put these little clips on and clips on. Suspension. What's cool about this one is you're able to go ahead and access the battery just by turning that little knob. And there's a battery. Look at that huge battery. So it comes pre-charged. We did about 10 or 15 minutes worth. Don't know the exact time we've been driving this. We've been having fun. Haven't been keeping track of time. But it's pretty cool. I like how it's so easy to put the battery in there. You don't have to take off the body to go ahead and put the batteries on. But look, we got some little scrapes on here. This plastic cover actually comes off. We left it on though. But you take the plastic little cover off and then it'll be good to go. We've already been scraping it off by doing some really rad flips on Eli. How was it? It was good. It was really cool. What's also nice about the remote control is that you can control the steering, trim, and then you control... That one's really fast? Yeah. So this way you control the steering, control your trim, your direction. Super easy. My beautiful 4-year-old son's able to go ahead and drive this perfectly fine. It's really cool. I like it. Little big monster tires, and it's really durable. We've been taking some really good hits on it. Eli's been crashing into the wall right here, jumping up our little ramp we've been making. Look at this cool ramp. So we've been getting some good air time off this. So Eli, what would you say about this RC car? It jumps on a house? Wow, okay, well, maybe not really jumps on a house, but jumps pretty high, and it's pretty fast. Check it out, guys.